I'm Jason Paulus. Fire crews were called back to the scene of a fire at the dairy farm in Trenton over the weekend. Cost nearly 200 cows their lives, and this time they had to deal with a fire in one of the silos. It's your top story on this Thursday afternoon. Here's what we know. The call came in just before 7:30 this morning on Whitaker Road in Trenton. Fire officials tell our crew that the grain in the silos heated over the last few days and started to smolder. Crews from Barneveld, Whitesboro, and Holland Patton all on the scene. Whitesboro brought in their ladder truck so that they could get up to the top of the silo. You could see the smoke coming out the side there. Fire officials also told us there are plans in the works to take down those silos.